Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get maximum golden wrenches per month in Last Sea Survival Shooter. Maximizing golden wrenches in Last Sea Survival Shooter comes down to strategy and activity. Free-to-play players and spenders alike can benefit. Start with a modification deal for 5 wrenches at a time. VIPs can grab extra in the VIP shop, and the Glory shop also offers 5 per refresh. Daily participation in the battlefield and raider events can earn 1 to 2 wrenches per day, sometimes double. Seasonal shops like the Trade Hub and Bio Institute provide weekly wrenches, 14 and 8 to 10 respectively. Limited time events, gotcha rotations, and monthly specials like Dawn's Light also grant rewards. By staying active, checking shops weekly, saving diamonds for gotcha, and completing events, free to play players can realistically earn up to 500 golden wrenches per month. The key is consistency, planning, and prioritizing all available resources. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.